This is the Casio F-91w. The Casio F-91 is the best watch in the world. This shit's $16.88 at Walmart. This watch is so cheap you really don't fucking unbox it, you just kind of break it. Manual's in the back here, who the fuck cares?
Nobody wears a watch anymore, they just check their goddamn phone.
Disagree. Kids, maybe.
Cite your sources.
There's a broader market.
Lorraine, what time is it?
10:26.
So a misconception about this watch is that it came out in 1991, which it didn't. It came out in 89. It also replaced the F-87, which it didn't come out in 87. It came out in 84. And water resistance up to like 100 feet or some shit. Doesn't really matter. This thing is so cheap, indestructible. And when it does break, you literally just go pick up a new one. This is my third watch. I've had it for a while. The other one, actually, the only thing that happened was this little rubber piece broke off. These watches are great. They're thin, they're light. You don't even know that they're on your fucking wrist. And the reason why we buy them is so we just don't have to fucking worry about it. Not have to worry about, you know, your Samsung watch or Apple Watch. This doesn't matter. You can literally just toss it into the ground and like not care about it because it costs you $16. Actually, right now on Amazon it's $13. Just picked it up and it has a mark now. Who the fuck gives a single fuck? This is about making sure that you have the time on your wrist easily available. You don't gotta pick out your phone. You don't gotta worry about this thing breaking. You don't gotta worry about it going underwater. You take it to a theme park. If you lose it, who gives a fuck? If it gets water on it, who gives a fuck? This thing is wonderful. That's why people rock it all day. Alright, so features. We got this little light button up here. See that? Probably can't see it because this light fucking sucks. You can't really read it at night, and that's the one bad thing about the F-91 is that it sucks at night. Like, it's not too bad, but like you really can't see it at all, and that light is tiny in the screen. It used to be amber originally, but yeah, light kind of fucking sucks. Mode, you can go ahead and switch it to alarm. You can set an alarm. You can do a stopwatch, and that's pretty much it. You can set the time. This does not have leap years, so you only get 28 days in February. And the way you can see if this is a fake watch or if it's a real watch is by holding this button for 3 seconds. Boom, Casio. Last thing I want to say about this watch is that Al-Qaeda or Taliban or some shit, I'll put it up in the thing, used to use this to make bombs because these watches are so cheap. So that's a little sketch, but they're not a terrorist watch, they're a tech watch, they're nerdy, they're fucking fabulous, and again, even if they're not indestructible, they're pretty much disposable. I also forgot to mention, they have different colors, so you can get one that fits your scheme, you can get ones that have different fucking wristbands, you can put your own little wristband on there, who gives a fuck. Again, these things are amazing, they're light, they're thin, you don't really worry about it.